AG1, this stuff really works. I've been on it for about 3 months and it's tremendous. My gut health, my memory, everything. It's amazing what this stuff does. Not sponsored, but would love to someday. Try it out, look it up, and do it. Okay, on our way. First mode of transportation, the Jeep. And we are on our way to the train station in Windsor Locks.
Train 143 en route to Washington, D.C. with intermediate stops along the way. Just a quick layout of our train set today. The very last car in this train is to make sure you check your ticket to make sure you are in the correct seat. Directly in front of business class is the quiet car. We ask that you keep the quiet car to a library-like atmosphere, which is now. Also in each car, there are 2 restrooms located on one end, as well as 2 trash receptacles on each end of the car. In just a moment, conductors will be coming through to check you in. Please have your tickets ready and available. If your ticket is on an electronic device, please make sure the screen brightness is all the way up and the QR code is zoomed in on. Thank you.
All right, here we are at our next leg of the adventure. We're in Bridgeport, Connecticut, catching the ferry over to Long Island. I just rode the train down from Windsor Locks down to Bridgeport, and we're gonna catch the ferry over to Port Jefferson. All right, coming back at you, you beautiful people out there. We are on the ferry, headed across the Long Island Sound. It's actually a beautiful day out today. Yesterday was rainy, today's nice. So a little backstory. When we went to sign the papers and get the papers for the boat last time, the gentleman who sold it to me signed the Coast Guard bill of sale, which needed to be notarized. So there, in fact, I had to print another one out, and that's what I'm going to do, is go get him to sign that. I got a Notary Republic meeting us, and so that's what we're doing. And I'm also going to clean up the boat a little bit, get in there and root around a little bit more, and start familiarizing myself where all the through holes are and all the components, and maybe clean up a little bit. And then we'll head back this evening. So we're just on a little jaunt, and yeah, I'll be taping a lot more than last time. So thanks for following along. Made it to Port Jefferson. God bless America. quick walk right from the ferry over there to where the boat is. Love walking through marinas. It's nicer when you're all in the water. Hopefully the ladder is still there and my tarp is still in one piece. A little snow left on the ground. Yeah, ladder's still there, and the tarps look like they're mostly on there. There she is. So we are up a little bit, sucking the bilge dry. Got the bilge going all the way over there. There's a little bit of standing water in there, so I'm vacuuming all of it up. Like I said, we got all the cushions out. There's a bad spot over there that I gotta tear open, but I believe it's just on the veneer. The wall seems solid still, so it doesn't seem like it's soft. That's a good thing. There's a little bit of water damage over there. There's a little seepage coming through over here somewhere. I haven't found out where that is, but all the deck fittings need to be replaced. A little part of the bilge in there, down in there. Let me see, I want to try to get everything as dry as possible. These floorboards need to come up. They all need to be torn up. Just finished signing the papers a little while ago with Vinny and the Notary Republic, so that's all done. Okay, so it's a little messy, but you get the gist. We got the big sink. Of course, it's full of pillows right now. I'm pretty much trying to go through some of it, throw out a bunch of stuff. Right now, concentrating on the bilge. I turn the lights on so you can see a little bit better. The nav station, which is full of crap. It's got an old radar system there. I'll give an official tour once I get a little more time to do it. I just want to get stuff taken care of in here. He left me some books and some wine bottles. A few things here and there. So these port lights are okay, except for this one looks like it was leaking at one time. Let's see if I can get it better. That's a little bit better. Yeah, there was a light here. I gotta put another light there. The soft roof, I think I'm gonna try to get rid of that. I don't know when, but there's a lot of condensation in here because it's been just sitting over the winter and it hasn't been aired out. I got a bunch of condensation bags that I left here a couple weeks ago. They're doing stuff, but they're not really needing to be replaced. But all this upper parts, it's all got condensation on it. So I want to try to dry all that stuff off. Got a closet here. I don't know if there was a door there before. I don't know. But it's a hanging closet, dry closet. Yeah, at least one. All right, so there's the wet head. It is a wet head. That port light was leaking really bad. So one of the reasons I got the tarp on it, so it would stop leaking, so it would dry out. But it's your normal head. I'm going to be replacing that. So that's that. Doors closed. So yeah, so let me continue on with this cleaning out of the bilge, and I'll take you up topside after. Okay. All right. So coming out. We got our helm station. There is a table that goes there. That's down below. Got a compass, but I think our compass is a little whack. It's a little tilted. So going up forward, it's kind of hard to see because it's dark. You got 3 big port lights, and I believe there's another one. I think there's 4. There's one up above. Yeah, I'll do once I get this thing all cleaned up and everything, which I'll film. I'll do an official tour once it's all done, or once I know what exact projects I'm going to tackle right away. It's a pretty good size. It's a good size companion right here. This is like huge. We put a lot of people. We put a lot of people in here. 56-foot mast, aluminum spear. All the running rigging needs to be replaced. It's in bad shape. I'm just hoping it'll come down. I don't see a windometer up there. Looks like there might have been one, so that'll definitely have to be replaced. I don't know if that radar works or not. I gotta get rid of that snow. Yeah, let me get rid of that snow and I'll take that forward. Alright. Walk it forward. And not to slip. Alright, so all these lines, I don't know if you can see it, but some of them are really bad. Really bad. It's got a spinnaker pole, which I don't know how to use. Go figure. Also, the canvas on here is pretty good. Just, I don't think Vinny really sailed it. I think he just had it moored, and it was kind of like a party spot. So going forward here. Remember, this is a 39.75. 39.75. It's a big boat. Alright, looking aft. The standing rigging is in good shape, but the running rigging, I don't know if you can see up there, you probably can't, might have to enhance it, is terrible. I'm hoping I can get it through to replace it with some different line, but I'm not sure what size. Pretty good size rope line. So, like, look at that. That is terrible. It's all coming apart. And all that. It's just, it doesn't look like it was ever used. look at the sail. That was Peanut. The sail is it's pretty rough. It needs to be cleaned big time. Definitely needs to be cleaned. Well, I think it doesn't say the name of it on it. Yeah. I don't know why they don't. Oh, they don't have it hooked up. That's what this is. This is your main halyard right here, I think. Okay, so in Port Jefferson, they have a fire pit for roasting marshmallows. It's great. It's free marshmallows. Roasting your marshmallows over the open fire. It's great. This town is awesome. So you can roast your marshmallows over that fire. The bell that was commissioned, and this photo was from old time ferry terminal, and here's the model terminal. Alright, and just like that, it's all over. Well, not all over, but I'm going to be catching a train. We're almost in Bridgeport. I'm going to be catching a train to Windsor Locks and getting a Jeep to go home. We got some good work done on the boat, got the paper signed, and everything's good. So, join me again. Thanks for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Please subscribe, hit the like button, share with your friends, and please leave a comment. It really helps if you leave a comment with the algorithms. Alright? See you in the next wave.